easiest way to sweeten up anything in your life is with this homemade ginger syrup. You can use it in your tea, as a drizzle over pancakes, on your desserts, as a salad dressing, in some seltzer to make your own ginger ale, or even top it off with some bourbon for a special treat after work. All you need to get started is ginger, water, and sugar. First, you're going to remove the skin of your fresh ginger. Although it is edible, it's too fibrous for this syrup. You can use a regular spoon to easily peel off the skin, but we actually suggest using a grapefruit spoon if you have one. It's a great tool to have around because it's great for peeling ginger, de-seeding jalapenos, summer squash, and zucchini. Cut your ginger into smaller pieces, roughly 1 cup, but for a stronger or weaker ginger flavor, adjust to your liking, and combine with 2 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar. For a thicker, more syrup-like consistency, add in a little more sugar until you obtain the desired texture. Blend until it's smooth. Push this mixture through a sieve to remove any last rough ginger chunks. Serve it any way you'd like.